How to convert PDF files into PNG images. In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process to convert PDF files into PNG images using BitRecover PDF Converter Wizard software. To install the BitRecover PDF Converter Wizard software, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. This represents the interface of the BitRecover PDF Converter Wizard software. To begin, click on the Next button. This tool provides user with dual options. You can choose either one of the options available. Click Select File option to select files individually, or click Select Folder option to select multiple folders at once. Select the folder or folders containing the PDF files you wish to convert. Click on Select Folder to continue. This displays the path of the selected folder. Click on Next. Select files individually, or select entire folder you want to convert. Click on Next. Select Saving option allow us to save the file to desired format for conversion. Destination part allows us to specify the destination for exporting the selected file. Save converted documents in same source folder option will save the files in the same location from where user selected the PDF files. User have option to save the files to other formats such as doc, docs, message, JPG, GIF, and many other as well. For this tutorial, let's select PNG option. Select the destination path of the folder to be saved. Click on the folder button icon and select the preferred folder. Click on Make New Folder and rename it according to whatever suits you. Click on OK. After selecting the destination path, it's time for conversion process. Simply click on Convert button, and conversion process will start. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification box indicating that the conversion process was successful. Click on OK. The trial version of the BitRecover PDF Converter Wizard software will only convert up to 5 files and will contain watermarks. In order to increase the limit and eradicate watermarks, user will have to purchase the license. Click on OK to open the destination folder to access newly converted files. You have successfully converted PDF files using BitRecover PDF Converter Wizard software. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.